Fiber is good for your gut, helps with weight management, and may even offer some protection against chronic diseases. But are you getting enough fiber in your diet? Most likely not. Experts estimate that 95% of Americans fail to meet their daily fiber needs, or 28 grams for a 2,000 calorie diet. USDA, Department of Health and Human Services. Dietary Guidelines for Americans, 2020 to 2025. Fiber supplements can be a great option for folks who struggle to get enough daily fiber through dietary sources alone. Getting fiber from food sources first should be the goal, and then implementing fiber supplements. Here, you'll learn about fiber supplements, the potential benefits and risks of taking these supplements every day, and things you need to consider when adding fiber supplements to your routine. What is a fiber supplement? Fiber supplements come in various forms like capsules, pills, powders, and gummies, containing isolated fibers extracted from whole foods. These fibers can be natural, such as psyllium, inulin, or beta-glucan, or synthetic like polydextrose or methylcellulose. The effects of these fibers differ. For instance, psyllium is more effective for constipation relief than inulin. Consult a healthcare provider to determine the best type of fiber supplement for your needs. 1. Improves digestive health. Healthcare providers recommend fiber supplements with psyllium to alleviate constipation and improve bowel regularity. Psyllium is a type of fiber that holds onto water in the digestive tract, making the stool softer and easier to pass. Compared to other isolated fibers, psyllium is the best at improving bowel movements in people with chronic constipation. The bowel benefits of fiber supplements, specifically psyllium, aren't limited to alleviating constipation, though. The water-holding abilities of psyllium also slow down diarrhea and may help those experiencing loose stools from non-infectious conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, become more regular. Taking fiber supplements may also influence the makeup of your gut's microbiota, according to a study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences. This small study found that supplementing with psyllium fiber had a significant effect on stool microbiota composition, especially in participants suffering from constipation. Researchers have only started to learn about the benefits of fiber in the gut microbiome, but suggest that the makeup of your gut's microorganisms may influence your physical and emotional health. Taking fiber supplements may improve the composition of your microbiome, benefiting your gut and your overall health. 2. Lowers blood cholesterol. Cholesterol is a type of fat made in your liver. Your body uses cholesterol to make cell membranes, hormones, and vitamin D. If you have too much cholesterol in your blood, it combines with minerals and other substances to form plaque, leading to narrowing and blockage in blood vessels that affect the flow of blood, a medical condition called atherosclerosis. But fiber can boost heart health by lowering LDL cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease, says Hill. Supplementing with certain types of fiber, psyllium and beta-glucan, lowers cholesterol by trapping bile in the digestive tract and eliminating it in your stool. Bile is a substance that helps digest fat and is made up of cholesterol. By grabbing onto the bile, fiber prevents reabsorption of the cholesterol, helping to lower blood cholesterol numbers. 3. Helps maintain blood sugar levels. Sugar, or glucose, is the main source of fuel for your cells. When blood levels drop, your body sends out the hunger hormones telling you it's time to eat. But fiber helps keep blood sugar levels steady by slowing down digestion, especially since it is a non-digestible carbohydrate. Maintaining blood sugar levels keeps energy stable and helps with hunger control. For this reason, the same gel-forming fiber supplements that help lower cholesterol may also benefit people with type 2 diabetes. Supplementing with these fibers improves fasting blood glucose and insulin levels as well as hemoglobin A1c. These supplements work so well that experts have suggested including them in the management protocol for people with type 2 diabetes. 4. May support weight management. Fiber may also support weight management by helping you feel full and avoid overeating, says Snodgrass. Research suggests that dietary fiber may help with weight management by protecting against overweight and obesity. However, the evidence to support the benefits of fiber supplements on weight loss and weight management is mixed. According to a review published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, fiber supplements may improve body composition and promote small amounts of weight loss. However, the authors of the review study note that the variation in the studies makes it hard to draw strong conclusions about the benefits of fiber supplements for weight management.